Greet everybody. So in a message, I have a little message. One to a pirate and amigo. Then one to this tester the tester meloni what we want to very bright. Nika go nika tore pane. A happy new year. Selo gbe. Owe pene le mi gbe. E pa pirate and amigo when me veni meje. Owi okan kere e me hin buwe. But ya beremie so no man harajo igwe magumebe gwe pagwa kosi ya wa nwafo o ma mi wo dion o ma na dion ma o me nwa so obi ohan se ti me nwa se no wan o ma mi ne rokpa so hope you people are hearing me because the network o man ka ma ban wa sorry wa egwu because where that man so the network na wa get asibi o se na we gbe sun so wa sorry so epa watch iwe kedua de because maka bo watch iwe to gebet ina ko be do alele we uri tie bo wa appreciate kakabo uri tie bo iwa ka bo like oni uri tie bo ne man before yan te mo ready di yo mo bo gbin ya iwa appreciate uri woni so na ko do alele we o me vie so no ma harajo ni be derepa because ibere wu Tyler dian we wo no governor of Edo State 2020 iwa bere wu what time because we meje megwa gbodan yemi because mind your destiny when we marry destiny ogime so una we when ya gun because he down the ohere because he ka bo lele be ri oni have video because many things ni mu ye brain so you know I appreciate wu time ni then mind no sunu na we we do nyama like we my Benin people they are wicked nyama like we panita ma mi okpa mami ega nuna da so a live video na una wala dianse hope you people are hearing to share what damn because my did the network ma hope yes so what that la dian una we live video ni what why number 1 ogara no abe mi yanu wa wu so mi ya wa harajo but nika hama when we pa because mo bota we ibi do mara yama eminu yama like party yama like eminu eti mani ibi do beni meje eni yanu ga o before igwa gele love ya because again me so adio na be u benu ya je London benu ya je Italy ya mi abe man no re no abe man ni wuye ze ni ya bere benu ya mu flower ahia benu ya mu ba ege abe man ni bi are camp here epa ma beg abe ni ya fefe because mo bota we wa if don't ya appreciate me no my Benin people ya like we party mama like we o me video no we go na je Canada o we to surprise beni e ma beni if do ya itu we pardon mo pa neneni we surprise but when abi ya na no we na udo aye ni here ya destroy we mine because all ya weta we in ya like we when man if do ma we mi okpa o no we heaven na earth uno do we mi netikele ne here ni ya hare mo bo atahia maka oni awo ma wu yeye go wo fun e maka we de e maka we no pa adam ni emi opa ni me do tamu we na because when again nuna la dia live video una tell me shogore vote for Omoye we shogore we must take it back uka bogbina ne shogore everybody know that when we politician na wa gbina name my we po wa gbina na we all know that. Every politician here, even the man self, they fight for their pockets. Agboya oni, that is politician. Annie, you know where? Can you tell me one thing that Amigo have done? My brother, you know one thing. I be my sister. No be message in one thing for this life if person do something because obi do him because do ya gwana o ma na we mi ho no ye tun when na we set we na ni o ma ni appreciate that's o ma no gbe ni egbera ne no gbe a message ni we ni temi opa ni ran mi go o ma we mi be life na my brother my sister wagi ma appreciate I wo ma e ma be we mi ya be do ri ani no ka ni ani ka wa like when on na wa ri a grave ave ma ni ya mu flower yo ni o ma yan there it says emi no emi nikin ma understand so like any meje megave ni no matter what we no ya destroy be ni pa wa megwa ge ni because when meje ni imagine so me na mi ma no we iti an we we se na ni nu ni So I already know we message ni jo because ma oni te message se because ni te mini hanta. So e pa when we je London e ma eni when we je Spain for passport, we all know everything. We understand because when showore wo mo showore ade showore we pon ima vote ni awe no pa na ma mind between you with Oshowore no nuwaga that is a plan nuwagba plan ni nuwagba sign ni ya but okere na no dota we Oshowore is 419 Oshowore is this aveni e mani die do ya like me no o ma understand because wa le lo mani hian wa mani wa nuwa we nuwagba ta ge wujeba e mo ade social media dota me ma we e ma na ite wo eri ga no jo salobo ajojo mani that is what I believe. Because oye na mie wale lo na ugbere lade wale ne no pa ugbere lade wale ne no pa ugbere lade oye na mie wo pa kan oye no ma wu we yan ni pa yan ma you understand the pa because yan we gba no ma fo ma gbon na oga imo we then no eni sunu wa be Showore who keep pay forget because what am we see you we wa do vote you because everybody know unless us work ba ha ta we Showore must win my we Showore he ladian because it's a new party normal no. Even when man self we can imagine new party no that ladian and we yen my home because abe mani e hold one ya kan e Showore we gbe ladian for the next time wa me we Showore an because for now ama home even when me na kweta me ma we wa vote in Showore ya da no Showore AC ya ma no hin so it's just the truth because the truth of the matter we Showore ana home we media ama home we anywhere in Nigeria ni. So the truth of any matter. So when I do lad any do amo egboto e pa iwe ka boy ma ka bo like him nani at all because em wa we gbata wa mature enough who get between wa boy. O man understand? E dey no wan ya we me because when I do amo lad do amo egboto they are active they are this that man because many things because a man like him nu abe nu ka ugbera but nu we no do aye no pa ye len were do ari ya wa ema because wo be ya wa because unu ya ti ewe oho me ye ti ya ti ewe ohian me ma understand since you can you know ya ta we this is my friend we are voting we gbedo ya mwela dia nu do ya wa which is very bad game ma boy yen ma understand wa we mi una we mi no ma etin egbe we na na ge ni wa e ma de ge yan ma o e ma be me ho etin egbe we ge ma atin we ma understand the pa so no na we wo no governor of Edo State pa me gbo danjo maybe ladian me na ni do ta mama we why vote in Nepal or why donate in no e mo hun yan e ma you are free to do what you like also na tell we you are free to emi ya no hanta o free no ya tai anu we free no ha be ya hansa ekweri jo ma understand me tita mama we vote for this not vote for this don't donate no e mo hun yan emi o pa me hanta pa if you want to be a governor of Edo State you have to go to Edo wariowa because eregba like prenia ukie never line one before you know 2020 you go we mudia abe ma no hekenu weta ma where you want to be a governor of Edo State e man ire social media e man iro wa because man ire social media man ire webo man my vote because a vote man ni there I can't abe man iro wa ni e voting I can't so okay mo wa wepa all the network is good oh. Hello my brothers and sisters why him ni ta because e my network ma e me wa gwan e my network ma anyway maybe yes or no. Hello my people abeg mona say yes or no whether the network is good because I don't even really know but I believe yes. So who are your wiper abi hueki ni abi jima abi yan ni rowa abi yan ni winani any vote mana ni re mana mana ni re mana because even at social media audio because why ya ga ni man ni rowa yan ni lue social media o ma say okay o ma man ni social media ma say maybe 20% okay because if you dey go ni ya the data ni ya la we do adam e live video no wa tan ni 2 hours 3 hours ni na me ni go ya ma mi go ya dey buy for ya na mi go ni ya the data okay mo wepa you go back home wario wa bani we na campaign ave campaign now with social media now we dia e pa bare. So if you want to be a Edo State governor because yet it am where you uheregbe no I my destiny we me ti la diabani I want to be a president I want to be a governor nobody because I don't in my style where in my style where my style no ba So when the matter where you don't have the right to come out to be a you better go home and before carry your weapon. You are a many things wrong no handology. I understand because many things you are wrong. Yeah, with politician okay because you have to cause a basket because you may make sure what man because men wear a bokun because when I was living in okay, network is good, thank you. Bena wana wa lebani bani ema wa be ladia wa be gogo awa be ana we era no migo ukwe ma o no pa ma o we bi o when no see any man ata we o ma water to be a do state governor because agu egwa udo ladia wa robiyan because you believe bani won obaseki ni oda wa lakpo we ke ya go o ma baladia one day no do reply we because someone when whatever na wa ya send anything at all o can what jessa because I vote we mujeba we no that is a servant of him o we him be your name even na when wo han what jessa yesa jesma because also e man ata wo ma what we to be a do state governor because I want them okpama we wala den live video because I believe we do work governor no baseki o we ala den do we video no almost to la den because na ni me no yata almost to the reply ma very almost to the reply also e man ata we o ma what for me my mama no what my mama no ma what but if you want to be better go back home abi working ni o heke ni ya hen plan ni we ni ya hen party no belong no ya ha mi ya emi wa la ba ni ge mi no hawo wa la ba ni ge mi no hawo ge mi no hawo so any of do ta we okay yes o ma be na ma set vote emujo o ma set vote emujo because when I read social media ni o ma pa ma na re o ma pa ri ogwa because o mo o ga social ga governor ga those state o ga social media I understand because after na wa gwana no heke na me we waro waze you have to do many things because 2020 before you know it all go modia so that is that a part so mani we do et mama appreciate me no many things emi ro here no yari ya ewa o se onata we mama appreciate because we be ben o giti ebo name because e ma ga ta wo giti ebo na you know we it watch better ni do ya watch e ge goleti ebo giti ebo na we he pa be change money like when meje meti robi ewe eti gwati ebo he beti gwa beti but amaya mama mi imaya nwa we wa mi o me wa ati ebo ne because we do believe you we ati ebo no ma aya mama mi emi so ro ma na ona wrong ona emi so ro ma na wrong uha me we na eri oto keke no we be na keke no lang e wo ke o ma e do we he si so ma na be ta e do we ye we we dia wa ge ma be like e be oni so a paradise for that and them yok bani when it time awe ha ye gbe apepulo we gbi bieka o understand be nu we genia public figure we anybody etila dia do gu we gun so take forget about your name because we o ma na imo gbe la dia na we I want to be name anything no marry rita o han agwanji o han retaliate you forget about it egba ma ni bani o ha ma we ni na we wa take serious no forget who we very your name oni ma me no fi agbo ave o ma me no rie yo we gbere and o ma be advice we o ma we say we say ma me o no wata we nemi ije lekute ni be ze dia be to bia na o bia na no re Germany ge batie o no bere si I think uyosunde pa uyosunde ma o because imo bo le video re you watch one video no ga ro bi oni it is very bad It's very bad. I believe you work behind my way live video no ya when you Google. You understand? On my video pa no what on hand o ke no mana hwanji epa. Wa me gan wa ya na laesi ni o work baro e man iburo there are many enya bunore ba ni. You understand because who expect when they show worry what you can't do we me. Who can expect no where me go for those governor because we are trust egbewe that is on aladia no pa aladia aye na examine ado we the exam no win your the card ni because we bia ni urovio work here no re no pa ni ami o ma name ota ho that is ami o ma name ozan Vene ohono mani wa mo so ye na ivine zo moko oye sogo amo so nyemi okpata I eri we benige dia I eri akon e benige bonokpa I eri obo e benige bonokpa amo se miemi tayo mani egbe because when we wana dia ni do atore pa osunde ni we ekiye no eri no nemi e pa beru we gbe so ave ni na me ma like no we u anu ja mo emi family ogela dia eri o ya ma bia any ma wa ma agui wa ma na agui face that person say family issue aye family issues here erioko ka biene eriobe erioko obe bena bivieva mama ona he ni ose ni mana tawe mama like we because abenu ezolozolo ni mama like no ata no why over yoni because no why no over yoni obo kan o mi efo ma understand the pa obo kan mi efo because obo kan no itame no why ne we den na diene obi ohana itame no why we den na diene we ame oni nyawa ame alaye gyanwe na re gyario why no because wa mi me so ni because ibieke so we ibieke so yen wonyi me yen gwa agwo bet e so ro no gwa be gwo magwo bet obi o han na ye gbe ya pepule uze lega yo legare uze lega yo legare be kenoje e do pado ha ma wa we denu na die me ya kare tuzuwo obi o han no ita me no wa ge tozu e to tie bonene o tie bonene so ave ni pa u stop ave ni na ni stop e pa osun de mame ni no we ima o bia na ni a ima watch a video for one day a YouTube na there o be praise o be we let's take it back and even we are we let's take it back e me dey la we ni be watch e ave ni agbenjo ni e ho phone there be ba ni ma understand the pa ave ni stop e we many things ne ma like we many things in my life but to do a destroy because when imagine o ma we mi face o mani e ya face o ye e face o tion because o tion ni ma me no o ma go we gun o ma no wa wa egba we mi we wa si aye uri egi o tion no nekere uri egi no pa so e pa ime dore mi kere we ni wa beta ma we because be imagine e me tie bonu e den ani be tie bonu because ya keni menati e bonu we e ani menati e bonu to me no do that is for me but ti gwa ro bi o ma ni ya ti bonu ma ni wa bizugbe ri ogi mewaje so a paradise for that wa onu Edo State governor na campaign the live video ariowa ogwa ana we ni ave new bini e ki o sa ba ni o heken we na campaign because any o ha voting we yan ni social media man ni wa dio we video na nobody no voting we nobody no we the ticket no oriowa we here vote e man ni ro wa vote so a paradise for that so that is for a parent and amigo pa I wish you all the best so if you want to be a Edo State governor go ahead anybody can be even my own son or till like we do I governor do I president anybody so since we in Nigeria here you are from Edo State you can go ahead so congratulations pa only so let's go to Efe Bright my abetemeni who Efe Bright now or why we me o wa dame we Italy ebo na kere Efe Bright so we mo wa why gwe o abeteme my brothers and sisters why gwe o me a live video Efe ni degere wo we na the something now my wa be mi one no na we live video to this lolo anu idiose Emine boy na have a live video ni I was ashamed doctor we no ya boy say de Bologna ya be Bergamoje ubi agbejo onu o sa ba gun ere ane gbo kan very oni God forbid ba yawo u wa mo ho la dian Efe yi mo meta ma we fe yi uwe o me video ore lolo Efe yi mo rita mu we na to se bo mama bi video ni la dian o se na mo your banner where they tested the meloni okay a video ni woman set ri la dian iyen we o ma zo bozo we de kwijwe Efe yi a video ni no wonu kan ri la dian ni ri la dian e ba nu kan na yen we bo nu we je ni o ma e lo no mu we mu die Efe yi don't play with a law Italy we ke gun are ni o wa ri video ore lo la dian Efe yi me no ho ri tamu we na a video ni poster e nu ge la o mi we lo ma set mi 20,000 or 10,000 mu we Italy ori ebe nu Efe yi ri la dian Efe yi a video ni poster e do I threaten no ma me live video I have your video Efe yi mami ebo we ya broken we ya azelo mo han wa translate any Italy a video ni na la dia anywhere they no ma set you understand be na me aha man be na ya lie here 20,000 or 10,000 ha kere gbe no me mu we la video do attract no ma ave no sense no wa ta me no na mo wo wa hey God abeg me no na mo wo wa iwa de video ni na wa iwa ge me down me ni na wa mu me sa na we ya we it we live video we na we ya ha next month we mo wo wa ohwo man we ha ma we fe ma me ken we na mu ohwo we egbo to we believe we to we mo ko we egbo to owo hun we no we ri wa o we disgrace new thing na ya de go no nikedi ohwo ha bia we toje wu ohwo eje wu bo ha bia o ma no ma mu gojo ohun bia no ma e onye gbe yin akwa anyi onye gbe ya yo to because o ma ken yin ri dagbon yin gijo de yin yo ri o ma e new thing wa mo la dia efe anu na mo la dia o ka ta la dia we e video ni gwewe ana ba mi video ni the social media ba no na yen we e lo Italy o ma gan when atie ba ni atie but I ata Italy o nene mi o ma be la mo no tene ya zedo ne me oni violazioni di violazioni e violazioni non avia e fei me ke no jogo vari wa gele ne e video ni wa ga bie we se wa poster because ina mi bia no zuwo yo zuwo re be live video I wa agiyan wa wo ko gbadu udo azuwo we no bia udo azuwo le loho eni ya no we talala dia mo no volela sabala wo God forbid o bia no eni hia oni mate ewu marapa efe bright Italy no we kere ni we lo no mo we mudia mami abada busy no we ga ata lo ni abada busy ni we ga ata ni we ga ata wo hia na live video no ni mo video ni la dia da bia we se o han mu we tu won na we wina we is zigo we be evon we genia Italy evon no mi ene oje no wo bomi sadin efe mo video ni la dia mo ga so boyo moi la dia je laisse ni the privacy intimo efe e dan me gbo ere wa enu ezezigo ga zezezezeze u gbalepo ya to tayo wa because any place una we na be any place of Europe I must withdraw any go ni account were e dan me gbo ere e ga threaten name am live video you have the video I will show the name you wa agwan ni ha o emi no ho mi wa gbonu jo ni ha o ho ave tan ya wi yen mo do God forbid bia ne gwa agun ne gwa mo mejo wa ne gwa agun o wa agun ni ha wa agun we bona be ho ma owo we u je do yen fi God abeg change na enini because u mind no mean they too me no mean u we ga we no na ya we presenter we no we wa je na fe we no ju no we ata we a video re lolo gwe we why post face me be gani e ba no ha na ye we because o ho da new just na we yen gbe na jo he make sure we pay that when we Italy genia where even we beje so wa gun ogbe so honorable we ni u ya enwa we Italy geleje when we Italy je ya mi e mejo no bomi sadin e na over 10 years ago ya wole muladian and the ban ha na do answer we if you take your time because we misbehave in Italy take your time they Germany u je ni we take gbono mu we Italy yen ri go normal so take your time ogun I respect you ka ha ma we o ti bono ho no bono ha we because o ho we ri ejugwa won fe ri eju werere we so kaka we video ni go we ana ba mistake na me we video no na gele ladia me na dege imi ari egbajo ime sure we lolo mi 20,000 10,000 mu we when ni ave Italy je so don't go there fe yen ejo doni e ladia no do atreti nema ina we gbe won wu threaten name ya ha mi na ya lie because Italian we je nu we be ni ya je yen to no sense yen take Italian wicked gbe ya mi o mamo eniyan we no pa yen lele maku ani yen threaten na yen take with anybody yen omo una match it up they don't take it with you una match una go ho gwan ni how match it up they don't take it with you efei mind your business mind your business change it no matter where u ye do talk show mind na te u ye do wine na te u yo di wa muju ni wa muju ye do egbe eru la jan be dere oni owe yan ta we tu bribe e royal army na because ya wo popa ya gu wa ba ni akota no wa la dian o gere mo go revere won be nu ya yen we you are not a man enough una wala dia ba soni una do ati ebo no riviere o ma no me we live video e ti beta we e uja wo ba ya brabo ma ni mure we me ta e je we ta brabo ma we no mo adi ke no weje we me we de abi umi ama be live video nya ni we live video ata we ye shogo ma na o mi we ma ni gele wan ye wo ma ni o gele ya brabo e mure beni ata ma wani we enya obrabo ma no ma kolire u beju no we ata me we o ma okpa eva o ma ni kole o na saifo de nu do amebo gbo ma e o be ti ebo no na ti ewo wa wo o gi ase no na gi ewo wa wo wa we mi gbo so we bro ebo e na ebre on we ogba ya o si e na ta bania we testa di meloni we ne meloni hi vitali we ne meloni hi vitali ha we ne how can you who open no we okonoro wo de mama Gladys you we wa ti ebo na egbe yage okunu we ri ejo we egbe yage aba ni we na be kun we di direct yagugu ani any man not you ti ebo no you are talking to your own wife say who me na ene ni yo Germany no iwe he Germany okpa karo do no pa be ro do ni iwe do ni ya kere so e do amu yan gbo to because yin eri efu aberi oni if you made the Germany car stage when because one man karo do ni why gbe o emi ya ni re Germany ha we presenter yan he presenters because no one man no ro be ma o he na ma bu se bu we because e ma investment la me je mo ge fe bi ai de ni do no he ta ma me bu bo ta ma me no hala me do ati e bo no ho o ke ba ni pa o Efei mind your business. O bia no bia. Ene ge no nya woko. La re nu ga do fi pa gima we gbadu ati ebo negbe. O kwa agu we gun be take we no ko ni jro wa we no ko ni nemo wa ri the same be no oni be we ri ona ha ya wa beg. Enwu no wa mu me na. O kwa agu we gun wa la di o do describe him no me toto. O go kun we tani. Mo be ye nonsense no network is bad. I tell you for the network obo. We describe ni how can a man who wear a video who go every night or you watch it you are a useless man I beg because they know now I'm me deti wa reckon you be ni agbeju onu ninu ya gun ani because the next one wa gwen we wa be bi ono na wa be ono be ri okwo na be ri ojo wa if you are a useless man Katama you are useless man because bia no enegbe egwan me no ya gwan ni abi bia no man enegbe mioko target yan target bonokpa edin eri en eri ya edin eri no bonokpa when I live video you are a useless man bia no enege no ya do ya we ma woko kan no I don't have time for that wa mioko wa ti eni we wa saladian nenemi pekus nenemi abeg if you go like that wa mo epo we ya to ta Germany na wa ka we ba osun na gbiku ye wo no re Germany go ya ni because many people no re Germany re wa gba niyan benu we je na niyan e ma de tu si emi ati wa si ne udo agwan ni ha so my brothers and sisters me here when you wa better so I don't pata ban ya with network e ma say so that is that because yes, I will. Thank you. Waya we say okay. Waya we say. So that is that. And if you when you have it, so you can watch. You can hear them yo. So my brothers and sisters, no venya ni the way live video. Ave mi kere no sunu kan. Ene guarima wasi obowo. Many people not do your own name. No gwaloma no si bagbe. Aviye. Many menjena. You can't time for my last audio. In a way, and no can egwai. Iguanjo because it won't igbe. Or done a ho if they quite a cabo. Ave ma eniaga taloni. But can you have a test any is okay because when you measure if you regbe. Iji may not be myself or twin igbe because any so run when uta. Udo tie in a way no maheke udo areme. So my brothers and sisters, no, they will have a live video now. Wa be careful. No de your name ogwaloma no ja sin nya weta leru no de your na yo boy asin wa o si e mana igwan yo kendo ade eti mai ni ateta beta be ma no keke nya agwanjo no wa gbeli kian e wa gian gbeli kian e why Why ga gbe comment wasi yan e egwadege mi niyan o yan we won gbe so ni o ma we mi o we a te niyan je e de nu po ma ni ga fun o le so ma ni e de agbe e won me e ri ehin e ri o fi gbon e ri vi o we yo to e yan na go free yan we mi ya na e de na ati yan me gwa wa be surprise we o ma na te wi yan yi laido yan to bo e gba lepo no han ya ri o wa no na o ma uge o mi uge so wagi mahuge. I greet everybody on Mania. I greet you all. Wow, it's true. So my brothers and sisters, it's time for me to go. I greet everybody. Maybe me one day like that. So my way go ahead. From Otoshebo, Mama, I greet everybody. If you change your way, respect who be away. I respect who. Wa beg him no who muhiam ototo. Wa fia ne enu do ya unu we ni no mama nu do agwan ni ha because umomoko oberi ohwo yowa because obe no we ya mu me fe yen because ni wa reserve many things because when wa agwan ma gwan gbeso we do ha we na no mata na iri we be do we so mind your business una bad we wa game no una ta is rubbish when you tali no nia una posted that video you will be in pepper soup I make pepper soup wa lawa o Italy gemini ya o e ke una mi video ni oh when we am your makwe kan say we no post e wo han like me mo wa eneni mo wa mo iwa mo i do hin lawyer ge lolo we mi go say gbo ewuyan ya because it anu we jena me when in take care they don't take nonsense we are mo video ma hono ga girlfriend we said you don't have the right we are mo la dia you be in soup you go no mani ka wu han pay u pay so if you want make big go be on na zeni go ahead one love my brothers and sisters biasago I greet everybody. Sister Stella, I greet everybody. Shine gold. Wayawese. I see you people. Wa bye bye. See you for next audio. Bye.